All right, we've got this contraption all loaded up and we are getting ready to head down to Winter Fun Fest. Excited about this one. Oh. So Winter Fun Fest is up there at the Nevada County Fairgrounds, I believe it is. We're gonna camp in the crawler hauler and then we'll just drive to the trails from there. Because there's so much driving and the tires I've had on there for snow just do not do well on the road. I didn't want to be going like 45 on the highway for that long and didn't want to hold anyone else up, so decided to put the Milestar Patagonias back on, and you'll see they're on a new wheel. So these are some of the new wheels we got. I got them specifically because I wanted to be able to change the wheels myself, and you can mount these yourself. It just takes forever to get them mounted. All the bead lock bolts that need to get tightened down. So this is gonna be the first run with those on. Now I feel like I've got the confidence to go down as low as I want. I mean, we might go down to like 1.5 with these. I don't know. We'll see what they need, and hopefully there's gonna be enough snow out there to do some wheeling. Either way, it's gonna be fun because Cal 4 Wheel puts on good events, and I know there's gonna be a lot of cool rigs out there. All right, getting everything all situated. We're getting ready to head over to breakfast at the event center, and I need to make sure I have at least one energy drink with me just in case. Pretty cold morning out here, and my favorite part of the day so far is when I tried to get into my truck and the key fob wasn't working, so I used the key portion of it. It decided to honk the horn for like a minute straight. I'm sure the entire campground really appreciated that, but I was able to get it synced up, and now I'll probably only have like one slash tire instead of all four. All right, we're gonna hop into the Jeep and roll out. Those dome lights really help with the kiddo. Are you excited to go do some wheeling today? Which part are you excited about?
Stopping to find some snow.
Stopping to find some snow. I hope there's some snow out there. Aired them down. The new bead locks. What do you think that's at? Shooting for 4. Start the day off. We're at the Eagle Lake staging area. There's Signal Peak right there. Getting ready to hit up Fordyce. What are you doing? Oh.
go, 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 go. Right there. Get the front end up and then go. Hold on. Up, up, up. Straight. That way. That way. Now go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Good job.
Oh yeah, cool CJ. This is a clean rig. This thing looks awesome.
Stop. Right there. Right there. Now go, 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 go.
That is a badass rig right there. This is cool.
There you go. You're just, yep. I would turn driver. You're gonna come down really slow, really slow. Turn driver a little bit. You're gonna come down on the back now. Yep. I think if you hold that, if you hold that, it's just gonna slide you right where you need to go. Oh, okay. Good job.
Hardest part of the entire day was me trying to get on the icy road. I stopped for a second to watch out for those kids, and then it was over. I had to hop out, lock the hubs in, and try it in four-wheel drive, and I still barely made it out. And now we're working on fuel pump issues. And you took away 10% of the on-ramp, so now I'm only gonna be at 30 miles per hour by the time we hit the highway.
Should've got a V8, my friend. No replacement for displacement.
Yeah, there is a replacement. It's called like a 2-mile on-ramp. 12 hours later. Nice job. Oh no, what the heck was going on? Placed a fuel pump. Worked for like 10 feet. Took them off, put them back on again, gave them a whack. It's working. Got a 45-minute drive ahead of us, so hopefully it's gonna last that long.
Helen's fuel pump went out and we just could not get any of the replacements for different size and fittings, and then hoses that were leaking. So we had to drive back, pick up the trailer, and then they went back and got his rig. So super tired for dinner. Now it's up way too early. We're all tired, and we're gonna go get some breakfast, and we're gonna see what the day has after that.
Well, I just did not do a good job recording while we're out on this trip. We did a bunch of stuff. This is the second day of Winter Fun Fest, and we ended up not going on the trail run this morning because we need to get home. Just a combination of factors, and yeah, I really wanted to go, but we're not able to do it. But we still got to come out here and hang out with everybody. The cool thing about Winter Fun Fest is it's not just about the wheeling. There's a ton of people to meet. There's vendors out here. The kids are winning prizes. They've got all the meals already made for you, so you just roll up and get your ticket marked. It's a great event. I would highly recommend all of the Cal 4 wheel events: Molina Ghost Run, Sierra Trek, Winter Fun Fest. Come knock them out because they're super fun, and it's raising money for a good cause, which is off-roading, man, our community. But new wheels on the Jeep did great. The hydraulic assist in conjunction with these wheels just being, I guess, more centered than the Steelies. I don't know, but the Jeep is riding great on the street for once, which is a relief. I got lots of comments on how clean these wheels were, so saying I don't wheel at all, but I can't say that anymore because I already got rock rash on all of them, and there's much more to come on that. Anyways, guys, thanks for checking this out. Maybe we will see you next year at Winter Fun Fest. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.